Hello Moonies, it's Mary Moon here. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to enjoy Indomie Kaldu Ayam. So stay tuned! The first way is beef bone soup with Indomie Kaldu Ayam. You could prep or buy the beef bone soup beforehand. The ingredients of the soup can be adjusted to your preference. You can add like onion, potatoes, and carrots, even boiled eggs. After you heat the soup, cook the noodle with plain water and drain well. Pour the beef bone soup and all of its toppings to the dry noodle and voila! You have your own beef bone soup with Indomie Kaldu Ayam. So easy, right? You can also use the Indomie spices if you want more savory flavor. Depends on your palate, but personally I suggest not to. Second way is Tom Yum Soup Indomie Kaldu Ayam. Just like the first way, you can use your own cooking or buy the Tom Yum Soup and mix it with the noodles you have cooked. You can also add your own favorite ingredients. In this case, I added fish cakes and omelette into the soup. No need to use the Indomie Kaldu Ayam spices anymore since Tom Yum soup already tastes strong enough, but you can add more chilies if you like spicy food. Last but not least, it's sayur asam Indomie Kaldu Ayam. Instead of having rice with sayur asam, why not try it with Indomie Kaldu Ayam? Personally, I'm a hardcore noodle lover and it's a great way to have noodles as rice substitute. Of course, don't have it too open. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it useful. See ya!